Hey y'all, Big E here from Texas. Another beautiful Saturday. We're out in the wood shop today. I think maybe the first video in the wood shop. But have a small chore for the day. And apparently I have some visitors. Elvis and the Chickaronas come in here, and you know how kids love to help. But today our task is, we have an old toy box from when my wife was a child. Then after she grew up, her son had it. And now we're going to get it ready for the grandbabies when they come over. So she found some hinges that are very close to the hinges that she had when she was a small child. So we're going to add the hinges to it. We got a little safety feature to do. But first and foremost, this chest was made back in the early 70s. So we have a instant lead test. We want to make sure that this paint is okay for the grandbabies, because you know they're going to be chewing on the top. So let's check it out, see how it turns out. Alright guys, listen. Y'all can't just be in here lounging around. If you're not going to be productive, you need to get on out in the chicken yard. So she's picked out some decorative hinges and a little friction support, so maybe that'll save some fingers. But this is step one. How to use 3M lead check swabs. It comes with 2 tests. Okay, so you're going to squeeze and crush the points marked A and B on the located barrel of the swab. Shake and squeeze the swab facing down. Shake twice and squeeze gently until yellow liquid comes from the swab. The swab is now activated for testing. While squeezing, gently rub the swab in the test area for 30 seconds. If the tip turns pink or red, lead is present. Okay, so you see right there, there's 2 crush points. Crush both of these together. Okay. So that is clearly not red. Kind of a mustard color. It's not pink in the least. Rub and squeeze, gently rub the swab in the test area for 30 seconds, okay? See if pink or red is present. And zero coloration at all, so lead free. Alright, well the box is actually built pretty decent. So, I know Elvis, I'm fixing to tell him. One situation that I think might be a problem is that you see this void right here, and then you got a little cavity on either side. Well, that's just a area for creepy crawlies or whatever. So since this is grandbabies, I think I'll just cut a piece of wood to length and just fill in that void completely. Alright, so the width of this piece is going to be about 1 5/8 inches wide. Looks like standard 1x material. Yep. Always take the time to square your fence up before locking it down. Watch out, Elvis. Alright, step one, I cut my 2 pieces to fill in the voids inside the toy box. So we'll get those guys installed real quick. Hey, look. Elvis, you're going to need to use your inside voice if you're going to be in the wood shop. Inside voice. Children. Excuse me, Elvis? I think he's telling Cluck, I'm in the shop, and you're not. So the construction of the top, it's a little thin piece of wood, just not a whole lot of grab for the screws. So what I've done is I've added some plates on the back here, and then I ran some self-tapper screws through the plates. I cut the screws off flush and grind them down smooth, but it's going to act as like a nut on the back of the wood there, and that'll be plenty good to hold the lid. Alright, too many chickens in the wood shop. Everybody out. Everybody out. Ladies. Elvis. Elvis, you too. You too, Elvis. Go outside. Go outside, please. Everybody, please, go outside. Ladies, go outside. Elvis, follow your ladies. I know Cluck's out there, but you're a big boy. You'll be fine. Just knock if you need me. Orpington, you better stop it, Gidget, Winona, Renee. I seen that. Crazy chickens. Okay. Like kids do it. There it is. See how soft that was? Installed the friction lid support. Just softens the blow and keeps it from just slamming down. So we added 2 hinges to the toy chest that were similar to the hinges from when my wife was a child. And the first thing we did was actually did a lead base paint test to verify that this thing was not dangerous, because it was built in the 70s and there's that scare of lead-based paint. So everything's perfect. The kids can chew on the corners all day long. Nothing will happen. So this one turned out great. All we have left to do is take her in the house and fill it full of toys. So hey, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.